Hi, first grade. I'm going to tell you what your writing invitation is for today. For today, your writing invitation is to take your timeline and write me the story of your life. So what that looks like is I wrote mine down on a piece of paper. You can write yours in your writer's notebook, or I have this paper in the email, or any other paper that you have at your house. Now, friends, I said this was an invitation, so you don't have to take the invitation. There are other options that I'm going to show you after I show you this. So this is your invitation. I have written you the story of my life. I was born December 1st, 1996. When I turned 1 year old, I had a surprise party. Notice how I didn't just say party. I added that detail of what kind of party, a surprise party. When I was 2 years old, I went to the beach for the first time. When I was 4 years old, I was a black and white puppy for Halloween. I went trick-or-treating with my friends, Maddie, Bryson, and Jad. I added that detail of my friends' names. When I was 4, I also had my first dance recital. I was a bumblebee. In 2001, I started preschool at Sacred Heart Montessori. I also played on my first t-ball team. I use that word also because it also happened in 2001. In 2002, I was 6 years old and started kindergarten. That summer, I broke my right arm. That is the story of me until first grade. So that is your invitation to take your timeline and to write it into a little story. Kobe, did you want to say hi? Now, like I said, the story of my life is an invitation. You don't have to take it, but you do have to pick an option. In first grade, we have done making books. So I just made that little book out of construction paper, copy paper, scissors, and stapler. Now, friends, making books, remember they can be real or fake. They have characters and they have a beginning, middle, and end. Our next option was to write in our writer's notebook. That could be the writing invitation. We could go back to past invitations, or it can be something totally new. But remember to write your date at the top. The next option we have is letters. In first grade, we had our mailboxes and we learned to write letters to people. Some letters we can write are to make people happy, thank you letters, get well letters, happy birthday, or holiday letters. Here's some awesome letters that I have from you all. Alrighty, so again, this is your writing invitation to make the story of your life from your timeline, or you can choose one of the other options that I just showed you. Have fun!